This is the easiest process ever. I love doing crochet braids because not only do they look cute, but this method is super fast to do. But you do want to be careful inserting the crochet needle because you don't want to break your hair. Then I would have these nails to slow me down, but guys, I'm gonna do an updo, just like a high bun with these. So I'm not going to fill in my whole head. I'm gonna fill in the perimeter of my head all around, just really densely, really good, so it looks nice in a bun. Okay? I don't want a heavy style. I just want it up for the summer because I do work, and having this hair down would be really hot for me, so I don't want it down. See how quick this is? And these are the single pre-looped Senegalese 32-inch twists. All you do, and you're gonna fill it in to your heart's content. And now if you want to do your whole head, feel free to do your whole head. I've done my whole head with these braids before. This is my second time using these exact braids. I'll have that video linked down below for you as well. So this is what it looks like. Okay, simple installation. You can do this yourself. If you can braid your hair yourself, you are in the game, girl. In the game. Let me show you up close. Slide that under, around the loop, latch it closed, and pull it through. The absolute easiest process, and it does not hurt, and secure it. It is 8:22 right now, so maybe I could be done by 10:22 with everything I want to do to this. Okay, so I'm gonna check back in with you. I'm gonna watch something good on TV and get to work. So this is where we are with just about 4 packs. Yeah, this was 4 packs, and then I still have some here that I've yet to install. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up into a ponytail because that's primarily how I'm going to be wearing. The style is up in a ponytail, and it is super cute. And then look, but other than that, this is how I'm going to be doing it. I just wanted to do the perimeter just so I can have it up into a ponytail. Alright, so this is a quick, easy style for summer. I love it. So make sure you give this a try. You can totally do this yourself. Well, the crochet braiding part, you can totally do it yourself. I can't do my own cornrows or braids, scalp braids, or whatever you call those. I always have to get somebody to do that for me, but the rest is a breeze. But yeah, make sure you check these out. The direct link to these 32-inch crochet braids will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, okay? Love these. Here we go. I'm done. This was super easy, super fun to do, and like I said, I just densely pack the crochet braids around the perimeter so I can keep it pulled up into a ponytail while I'm in my protective style. Yes, loving it, loving it, loving it. So cute. So I can wear it in high ponytails, low ponytails. I can put it in a bun. I can put it in a bun. I can put it in a bun. So I can still do a whole lot with it and still be cute. So yeah, the direct link to these braids will be down below, as I did pick these up from samsbeauty.com. This time last year I had these very same braids. I'll have that link down below as well, and I had them all over my head so I can wear half up and half down styles, and that's primarily how I wore it because that was a lot of hair. This can be a lot, but just doing the perimeter, this is like the perfect amount for wearing a ponytail and buns. Like, it's easy to work with. So this was just about four full packs just for this style. Okay, but if you want even more, just to be safe, order 5 packs if you just want to do a ponytail style. 5 full packs. And also check out my braid pattern. But if you have your own braid pattern that you like, of course go with it, but this just always works for me. It's what's best. But I absolutely love these braids, and they're 32 inches long. Let me show you. So I got it wrapped around. I'm going to take it out of the wrap a bit so you can see how long they are. So right above the butt is where they fall. Really nice length. 32 inches, nice length if you ask me. But yeah guys, that is it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Okay? And there'll definitely be another video. Bye.